Hi guys, this is Nikki, also known as Faces Trader, and you're watching the Global Market Update. It's December 11, 2020, and you're watching this Friday. So let me remind you first and invite you that every Friday is our free Friday class pick. It is our way to give time and charity to people who need a lot of help. It's a free class. Every Friday is a free class. So just join our Awesome 10x YouTube channel and you will be part of the class every Friday. It's for free. You don't need to pay anything. Just like, subscribe, watch the videos, and that's it. Has watching Awesome 10X made you money? The answer is yes. Is it a lot of money? The answer is also yes. How much money have I missed for not watching free Friday class picks? Something in the realm of 100% to 200% to 300%. Yeah. And you will continue to miss making much money with us, with or without us, because whether you are investing or you are not investing, we kind of don't care. So let's go. All right, tonight, let's discuss the US market continued very, very strongly. And so you've seen that, yesterday's drop, the other day's drop, which was red, was actually just completely ignored by the market. Last night was also, of course, the super duper movements of your IPOs. Your IPOs like your Airbnbs, your C3AIs, your hydro farm. So all of them were actually significantly above all their IPO prices. How much significant above? We're talking about 100 to 200% above. So of course, congratulations to Airbnb for having a successful IPO debut. It is actually a proof of their hard work in the last how many years? It was a decade already for Airbnb. Let me just open to you some slides on Airbnb. Just to celebrate this momentous moment for all their employees and their shareholders who really believed in their in them, and really this $100 billion valuation is really a very expensive price, and I don't want to enter at these levels. However, I want to say that so Airbnb was actually a September 8th coverage of Awesome 10X, and this is a company that we were really interested to be the steal of the century. Indeed, Airbnb IPO could be the steal of the century. However, during that time, Airbnb was being touted to be sold at IPO price of about just $44. However, last night, Airbnb traded at $144. That means another $100 higher. So this is your Airbnb. Let me just show to you the chart of Airbnb. Airbnb opened at about 144, went to 160. In my view, at $100 billion valuation, too high to matter. I wouldn't care. It can go to $200, but I also think it can go to $100. Meaning, this is a flip of a coin. I'd rather wait it out at $100, even if I need to wait April or May. That said, of course, why do we like Airbnb? For so many reasons, right? Airbnb, secular trends, staycation, vacation, budget traveling, unique experiences, marketplaces, rental properties as a business, the sharing economy. So access triumphing over ownership. Yes, some people do believe that accessing a really great place versus owning it is also okay. Of course, we were discussing about the rural Airbnb booking surging, etc. So it was a free, no, this wasn't a free Friday class pick. I discussed this September 8th, but yeah, so we were, this is an inner circle class discussion. So for those who aren't aware, Awesome 10X does give you a lot of free Friday class picks, but we actually also have a subscription service similar to all the SaaS names out there. Yes, you could subscribe to Awesome 10X. Let me just highlight this for you, awesome10x.com. Just click the link and actually you can subscribe. And for $40 a month, is it worth your money? The answer is yes. For $40, train your mind to actually think like Awesome 10X and spot 10X opportunities. Is it something so hard? The answer is no. If you want to make money, you actually want to learn how to make money. And are we a good group that can help you make money? The answer is yes. We can prove it over and over again. You can just watch all of our videos and see for yourself. The free Friday class picks are already proof for that. Yeah, so wait up. I'm going to type my password. Remember me. Just a subtle invite for all of you who still haven't subscribed to Awesome 10X. Please don't forget to like and subscribe the channel and share us to your friends. So inside the courses, you could see a product, my product, Global Investing Core Training. This is a 3-hour video for people who need to understand the Awesome 10X system on why you could make money while sleeping. Nonetheless, after you understand the Awesome 10X system, of course, you're going to go to our master classes, which are every single day. Meaning, every single day, you've got a class from me understanding what company you have to own for your Awesome 10X portfolio, which companies do you have to learn about that you might need to add into your portfolio either today or someday in the future. Example of an inner circle pick. Example. All right, so there will be upcoming IPOs. Affirm, the modern bank. Yes, we want that. All right, Awesome 10X also has how to master the art of selling, meaning how do you sell if you're up 300%. Rush, aka Pure Cycle Technology, Recycling Revolution categories. OAC, healthcare categories. THCB, electric vehicles, batteries, packs. It might not be an Awesome 10X pick, but you can still make money from it. Roblox, IPO, the basis of our imagination. Delivery Hero, the Amazon of food delivery. From zero to hero. Dada Nexus, Yatsen Global, these are IPOs. Minisaw is an IPO. So there's a lot. Rewalk Robotics, Array Technologies, Knobs Harvest. The thing about them is that Knobs Harvest, October 21. Take note, if you bought with us, Knobs Harvest, October 21. You know how much October 21 price of Knobs was? Around $11. Take a look. November 21, we featured it here at $11. So if you buy, just like we do, November 21, buying Knobs at $11, today you're up 70%. It's now trading at 17.37. It even went as high as 18 and 19. Are we accurate? Is that the only one? No. We've been accurate with 90+% accuracy hit ratio. So, and when we are accurate, I'm not talking about just a 10% gain. We're talking about 100% to 200% gain. An example for you, for those non-believers out there. First and foremost, just check it out. Make a search here. Click the search button. Did Nikki, you find GMHI before it went laser? Yes. Boris Metropolis was an inner circle pick. Luminar Technologies, the vision of autonomous travel, August 26, 2020. We wanted all of our Awesome 10X members to have GMHI. As early as August 26, we were already opining to buy it. GMHI, also known as Laser, Luminar Technologies. Look at what happened to Luminar Technologies. You bought it at August 26 here at about 10.68. Today, it's about $34. And we actually opined to buy it again around October 30. So you still bought it here at about $10.30. So the thing about us is that you could have bought Laser, the GMHI, either the stock or buy the GMHI warrants, which was really more strong. Laser warrants, actually, if you bought it as early as August 26, just like when we were opining to buy it, your cost is at $2.91. That would be this level. It went to $20. Right now, it's at $12. Still not bad, 500, 600%. So I think the opinion of most people that should they invest? All right, let me answer. Is it advisable to go into Airbnb at its current price? The answer is no. At $144, no. We wanted to buy it at $44, not $144. Paying 300% higher for it is not an Awesome 10X way. The answer is no. What else can you buy that is listed? The answer is many. So let me give you a few names that should be bought in the market at the current levels. So I'm going to show you a few interesting companies that you may not be aware of. Electric energy. All right. Why did renewables become so cheap so fast? So for most Awesome 10X members, we already have most of these names, and we're already just adding and averaging up. Why did renewables become cheap so fast? There's a lot of reasons why, and you can read that for yourself. But this should be something that you should be aware of. The price of electricity, the cheapest price, is coming from solar photovoltaic. From $359, the price of electricity from solar has declined by 90% in the last 10 years. From 2009 to 2019, from $359 to $40. What is the spur of that movement? You can learn about it. But the most important thing is that when a price of a solar panel goes down, the solar photovoltaic, what happens? Electricity is 2 cents per kilowatt hour. That means that your Canadian solar should go higher. Now, of course, at 44, there is a selling pressure there, but at 38, there's a buying pressure there. 38 and 35 are buying opportunities. Have we been buying this name? Yes. Ever since 28, 24, 20, 18, 24. We weren't early at 16, but we won't miss out on the biggest trend of the world. Can this go to $100? The answer is yes. When it breaks $45 soon, and it will happen within the next 5 to 10 years, it's going to go 50, 80, $100. Can you buy it at 38 to make 100% your money? The answer is yes. Take a look at some names like First Solar. Before you miss out on the biggest trend of your lives, the biggest 10x trends of your lives, please don't forget, it's not going to be your coal power. It's going to be the First Solars of the world. First Solar, yes, we've been buying 60, 70, 80. Can it go to 150, 160? The answer is yes. Take a look month on month. In the last 10 years, the solar companies have gotten from $300 to $30 because people were earlier in hyping it up in the last 10 years. Now that they can prove that it is real, and we can show that to you, it is real. Search, all right. Example, what are the companies? All right, let's take a look at some of these companies. CSIQ, Canadian Solar. Canadian Solar, the sunny future category, been opining to buy it since July 28. That's why our cost is just $22 to $24, not at $40 today. So we're up 100%. However, when we make a call, it's not a 100% move. When Awesome 10X makes a call, the fact that we call it Awesome 10X means that $10 goes $100 in a decade or so. So it's not about making 10% money. It's about making 1,000% money. You have to go to Awesome 10X, find out these companies for yourself, and make some money in return. Is BTC worth buying? Well, you should have bought it about $5,000 and $10,000. At current levels, at about $17,000, I'm not quite sure. The thing about BTC is that it's really a difficult gauge to say. You can't really value it. Can go to $30,000, can go to $50,000. Sky's the limit, right? So after you break 20,000, can go 24, 28, 32. I'm not sure. But if you don't have it, I think that you're a little bit late. You have so much buying opportunities below $10,000. I have a thinking that for companies that people know more about, like Bitcoin, it's not gonna make you tremendous amount of money. Maybe you can make 10, 20%, but not like 10x moves I'm not sure. Like even if it goes to $50,000, buying it at 17 makes you 3x versus, let's say, I think like I have for 3x moves, there's so many easy 10x moves. Example, Dada Nexus, 42. Can it go to $100? Yes. Array Technologies, 36. Can this go to $300 someday? Yes. So, I think for 10x moves, there's a lot of 10x moves that might not be just simply Bitcoin. Do you have a tutorial on how to deposit funds on interactive brokers? Yeah, you can just check it out. It's written in Awesome 10x. Find it on YouTube channel. But basically, for the Filipinos out there, you can actually purchase dollars from me. You can pay me Philippine peso, and I'll just deposit dollars straight to your Interactive Brokers account. We've been helping a lot. Just message me, awesome10xofficial@gmail.com, or just message me how to fund your accounts, how to deposit funds in your Interactive Brokers account. If you don't have a dollar account, I could just accept your pesos and use my dollar account to pay straight to your Interactive Brokers. I could deposit, but for withdrawals, what you could do is you have to make your own dollar account, meaning Mr. Benjamin To, you have to have Benjamin To dollar account, whether it be BDO, BPI, whatever that dollar account is. You can do that for withdrawal. For your deposits, you can actually instruct Metro Bank or BDO or China Bank. If they don't know, you can just pay me that online, pay me BDO pesos, and I'll deposit straight to your IBKR dollar account abroad. I'll do the conversion. And the conversion rate is actually about 40 cents today. $48, 48 peso 40 cents. It will change daily, but the USD PHP rate is kind of attractive these days. Palantir po, hold lang. Yes, winners we hold. For winners like Palantir, we have it as a free Friday class pick at $9 and $10. I'm not looking to buy at $27, but I'm not looking to sell either. So there's a lot of companies that really went up. I would just have to give you a preview that last night, of course, very strong moves. You could see 159% up, Hydrofarm, 100% up, Airbnb, C3AI. The IPO price of C3AI was $30. This is now actually at $130 or just another 100 up. So more than 100 up, it's times 3 up. The performance of IPOs is very strong. Performance of SPACs is very strong. You can see that just take a look at the performance of the IPOs, even just year to date. These are the kind of returns that you have been missing all your life. Fastly, 300%, Serens, 300%, Pinterest, 300%, Bill.com, 260%, Sprout Social, 200%, TRNE, aka TRNE is Desktop Metal, 150% up. OCFT, Lord Sound Motors, there's a lot more. That is year to date. Let's take a look at the 1 month. 1 month, QuantumScape, CIIG, TRNE, Palantir, Lemonade, Flying Eagle, aka Skills. So some of these you might not be aware of. They are SPACs and IPOs. So there's a lot of money that you are missing out not investing abroad. So really, there's a lot of money abroad. And I would say that the biggest money still 10x would be your electrics, your IPOs, your SPACs. Study them and also make sure that you're watching Awesome 10x free Friday class picks. Can we non-US citizens participate in those IPOs? Yes. All Filipinos, everyone can invest abroad. Yes, just open an account. Interactive Brokers, Charles Schwab, IBKR, eToro, all of these, you can open an account. It's all here. Just take a look. IBKR, Schwab. I think I made a post on it, Awesome 10x, for people who keeps on asking me. So it's all here. Yeah, so you can see Awesome 10x buying opportunities October 2020. Take note, 40 minutes. All of those stocks that we shared were actually up 100%. Some of them 300, 500%. Even if you've bought them only on October 30. TWS for beginners, IBKR, just check it out. It's all online. Just use your search Google and everything can be done. All of your questions can actually be answered by Google. So just search and do the rest. All right. Just don't want you to I think like just watch later every Friday free class, 1 hour deep dives. I'm gonna find you a deep dive about the 10x company that you may or may not have been aware of. Okay, that's it. Lots of solars, lots of electric vehicles to buy from, a lot of skincare movement as well. Men are becoming, it's not about vanity, it's about protecting their own skin. And you could see that Estee Lauder has done so well in that trend, but I think that this is something that you have to be aware of. Yatsen Global. So for those who are in the know, or not in the know, this is Yatsen Global is a company that is listed just this year. And I think Perfect Diary is also a perfect Awesome 10x name. So for those who haven't bought at 15, 16, 17, or even at current levels of 18, you might miss out again and again. And I don't want you to miss out. That's why thank you for watching the channel, but do subscribe to Awesome 10x so that you don't miss out on 100 to 1000% moves. That's it. Bye-bye.